a Bing, some sort of Bing overtype, very early one. I've made a replica chimney for it. A lot of work going into it. Needs a decent fire under it to get it going. Yeah, there's a burner I made, a 1 wick, but it needs a 2 wick burner. It's running on tablets at the moment. Very early one you can see there with the early Bing logo. Okay. There we go. Plenty of water in there. All this. Alright, that'll be enough.